Hi guys, and welcome to the Smart Investor channel. On this video, we are going to compare CitiBank and Wells Fargo side by side. We will review the different savings products each banking account offers and the differences between them, compare consumer credit options such as home loans, credit cards, and other loans, and lastly, understand which banks offers better customer service and digital experience. Let's start. In terms of savings options, both accounts have monthly maintenance fees. But while the Wells Fargo fee is slightly more, the waiver criteria is a little more flexible. However, Citi does offer far better rates on its savings account. You can earn 4 times the rate of Wells Fargo with no minimum deposit. Citi also allows you to earn rewards if you link your Citi checking account with your savings, and the autosave function assists you to reach your savings goals. Both Citi and Wells Fargo have other savings packages if the basic account does not meet your needs. When it comes to CDs, this is an area where Citi has a clear edge. While Wells Fargo has a minimum deposit requirement of $2,500, Citi allows you to open an account with any deposit. Additionally, while Wells Fargo only offers 0.01% to 0.02% depending on your deposit amount, Citi offers a 0.10% to 0.15%. The interest rates are weighted to encourage customers to take on longer terms, as you can only get the 0.15% if you sign up for a 5-year CD. The Citi and Wells Fargo checking accounts are quite similar. Neither account is interest-bearing and both carry a maintenance fee with similar waiver criteria. However, while Citi has no minimum deposit requirements, Wells Fargo requires $25 to open an account. When it comes to features, the account similarities continue. Both accounts offer access to overdraft services, and check writing is included. However, Wells Fargo does allow customers to upgrade or downgrade checking accounts to access the feature set that best suits their needs. If you're looking to buy a home in the next years to come, you may need to take a mortgage. Both banks have a great selection of mortgage products. Citi has home loans for buying, refinancing, or accessing equity. The bank allows pre-qualification to make it easier when home shopping. New home loan customers can also qualify for a welcome bonus. You can either access a lower interest rate or receive a $500 credit towards your closing costs. Wells Fargo also has a choice of mortgages, including fixed-rate loans, FHA loans, and VA loans. However, a nice feature of Wells Fargo home loans is the potential for only needing a small down payment. Fixed-rate loans require a down payment of 3% or more, while FHA loans need at least 3.5%. Wells Fargo also offers home equity finance packages that allow you to borrow up to 80% of the property value less any outstanding mortgage, secured loans, or liens. These deals are available for up to $500,000. Citi offers personal loans for up to $30,000. You can take your loan with up to a 60-month term. You can qualify for lower rates depending on your credit rating, but all customers can qualify for a rare discount if they sign up for the auto deduct. Wells Fargo offers a variety of loan products, including student loans, auto loans, and personal loans for up to $100,000. Personal loans are available with a term of up to 84 months, with no origination fees, closing fees, or prepayment penalties. Wells Fargo also offers relationship discounts for qualified customers. When it comes to credit cards, Citi has a massive selection of credit cards. Many of the cards have no annual fee and offer a welcome bonus. You just need to ensure that you make the spending minimum by the time limit or you'll miss out. The Citi Simplicity card is exceptionally long interest-free periods for purchases. For the first 18 months, new customers pay no interest on all purchases and balance transfers. Within the first 3 months of Citi Rewards Plus SM card signing up, new users can earn up to 20,000 points on purchases of up to $1,000. When you shop at supermarkets and gas stations, you'll get 2 times points up to $6,000, and you'll get 1 point for every dollar you spend on net purchases. Anyone with bad credit or no credit at all will find the Citi Secured MasterCard to be very helpful. It allows you to put down a deposit equal to your credit line when you sign up, allowing you to easily build a strong credit score from there. Citi also has a choice of partnership cards. The list of partner brands includes Costco, Expedia, AT&T, and American Airlines. Wells Fargo has fewer card options, but there are some great cards. Active Cash has 0% APR for 15 months and a $200 welcome bonus if you spend $1,000 on your card in the first 90 days. You'll earn 2% cash back on your card spending with no limits or categories. The Hotels.com card is a great choice for travelers. You'll earn stamps for eligible stays and purchases, and 10 stamps can be exchanged for 1 reward night. The card has no annual fee, and there is an introductory bonus of 2 free reward nights if you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days after opening your account. Finally, the Reflect card offers 0% APR for 18 months on purchases and balance transfers. However, there is a possibility of extending this for a further 3 months if you make your minimum payments on time. One of the biggest changes in recent years is the shifting to online. Many banking services are online only, and those who are not put many efforts to provide great customer support and digital experience for customers, most of them available around the clock. Citi has multiple phone lines that relate to specific banking areas. You can also get stock answers to common queries on the website help page. You can also use the website to direct message the customer support team or use the QR code with your phone to send a message. Wells Fargo also has a detailed support section on its website, but you can also use the general banking helpline that is open 24/7 to speak to a customer service agent. Unfortunately, neither bank scores particularly well on consumer review sites. Citi has a poor 1.4 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot, while Wells Fargo scores a modest 2.3 out of 5. Both banks offer an app for iOS or Android devices. The Citi mobile app is rated 4.9 out of 5 on Apple and 4.7 out of 5 on Google, while Wells Fargo's app is rated 4.8 out of 5 on both platforms. However, if you prefer, the banks also have a decent website. The designs are clean to make a great user experience. Citi's website is particularly intuitive, making it easy to select and compare credit card options to find which card is best suited to your needs and preferences. Overall, both Citi and Wells Fargo are reputable institutions. So which bank is better? While both banks offer similar products, there are some key differences. For example, Wells Fargo may have fewer credit card options, but you can borrow up to $100,000 on a personal loan, compared to the $30,000 maximum offered by Citi. Another standout is in the CD products, where Citi offers better rates without Wells Fargo's large minimum deposit. CitiBank can be a better choice than Wells Fargo if you want better CD rates. You are not planning on making more than 6 savings withdrawals in a month. You want the best savings rates. You want access to a massive selection of credit card options. On the other hand, Wells Fargo can be a better choice than Citi if you're interested in low deposit mortgages. You need a larger personal loan. You want access to 24/7 customer service. For those who are still not sure, here are a couple of questions that may help you to get the right decision. What is required to open a Citi account? As with most banks, Citi requires applicants to verify their identity to open an account. You will need to supply your name, social security number, and a valid home address. You will also need to show a valid government ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or state ID. Of course, if you are already a Citi customer, you can open up a new account without needing to go through the ID verification process again. Why are Citi rates basically low? As with many traditional banks, Citi has a branch network that, while convenient for customers, does add to its overhead costs. Unlike fully online banks, which only need to pay for physical buildings for admin purposes, Citi needs to pay to staff, operate, and maintain each of its branches. This is reflected in its rates, which are lower when you compare them to a fully online bank. However, you do have the flexibility to call into your local branch if you need face-to-face assistance with a query. Does Wells Fargo offer a free checking account? While there are several Wells Fargo checking account options, all of them attract a monthly service fee. However, it is possible to have the service fee waived by meeting the criteria. This includes activities such as maintaining a minimum daily balance of $500 having $500+ in qualifying direct deposits, linking a Wells Fargo campus debit card, or being aged under 24. Can you buy or invest in gold products via Wells Fargo? Wells Fargo allows customers to open a Wells Fargo trade account, which is an online trading platform where you can invest in EFTs and stocks, including gold stock. There is an annual fee for this service, but it is possible to have the fee waived if you meet one of a list of waiver criteria. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. On our website, you'll be able to read many more comparisons, reviews, and guides that can help you choose your bank wisely. What is your favorite bank? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them on the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the best financial comparison as soon as they go live.